There's the car amongst all the golden witches of cars. Check out all those cars up there on the hill. Oh yeah, good time. Okay, here we go. Here's me and Drew's project. Setting old Mike Stinscar's place in Chileum. This is going to be our rat rod. We're still not too sure exactly what it is. It's supposed to be a 72 Trans Am. So I don't know. We'll see when we run the VINs what the VIN says. This place is a treasure trove. Check out this Wildcat. Look how straight that is. No rust. Talk about a beautiful car. The whole place is full of cars. It's got the, don't get no better than this. Guy was looking for a project. This would be a nice one. Check that out. They're all over the place. There's be an old Cadillac over there. And an old Malibu over there. Look at all these rigs. Look at them all. They're everywhere. And there's 135. 135 projects. Is that crazy or what? Alright. Buick Wildcat. Nice. Alright, wasn't an easy job, but we got it loaded. She's all loaded up, ready to go. Heading home. Our new project. Got everything else going. All good. Look at all these projects. I'll come back and we'll get video of all this stuff. All these things. We'll do a walk around. We'll check it all out. We'll see what he has to say. Got it home. Here's our 72 Trans Am project. Still on the trailer.
Firebird.
Phil Fine Firebird off the Colville Indian Reservation.
72 field found Firebird.
Yep. Our own little money pit. It's definitely off. We got the inside. Really close to cherry. Piece of tin in the back. Everybody's got a piece of tin in the back. When I buy a project, that's one of the first things I look for. Piece of roofing in the back. And the headliner's ripped. Alright. Got the patina. It's already got a dent. We don't care where we park it in the parking lot. Go ahead and door us. Except our blue door. So here we go, start. What we're starting with here. Can't figure out how to get the hood open. This here isn't doing nothing for us. Not hooked up to nothing. A lot of potential, don't you think?
Chuck Yellow Jacket nest.
Oh, I don't believe it.